What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 13th of March. It is 7:42 p.m. over on the East Coast. Guys, quick video this evening. Going to look over at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin has had a couple very impressive, I cannot talk this evening. Very impressive couple days here. And I think it is worth noting that we could potentially be in for one of the biggest Bitcoin breakouts potentially that we've ever seen, if not that we've seen in a very long time to the upside. We're going to jump into that before the end of the video. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the subs. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider doing so, guys. Also, hit that thumbs up. Does help the video out tremendously. Appreciate it, guys. So here we are waiting for that candle close, which should be coming shortly here. Looks like about 15, 17 or so minutes we'll get the close. As long as we close above 22.5, that is very positive for the bulls. 22.5 right here, finally back above that. Let's take a step back here. So on the 12th, we had a, the 12th, we had a 7% day for Bitcoin. So far today is an 8% day, 1,900 points, 1,598 points. We have some major resistance on the chart for Bitcoin, and we're looking for a huge breakout to the upside. It could be a many thousand point day for Bitcoin, which will help the rest of the crypto market dramatically. It'll help it a lot, guys, to the upside. I think it's worth noting. So we have major resistance right up in here in this 25,000 or so mark. Right here as well, major resistance. We also have a rough, not perfect, guys, inverted head and shoulders here taking place. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We have a very rough neckline right here. We are looking for, and we have upper targets, guys. We have a new upper target up there at 28,249 right up here. Our blue line, we also have a target up there at the $30,000 mark for Bitcoin. So if we broke up to the 28,000, which would be one of our targets there, that would put Bitcoin up right around 4,000. And then if we hit our upper 30, that puts Bitcoin up roughly $6,000. I do think there'll be a little bit of a struggle for the price of Bitcoin at the 25.7 and then 26. Right here we have two potential resistance lines. They are very close to our neckline, right around that $25,500 mark. So they're all kind of clustered together there, but I think a breakout above that could be very close. We'll have to see here. And then 28 to 30 is our targets above the market. Very positive day for the RSI. Big crossover to the upside. I mean, this thing has rocketed. We didn't even hit our 19,333 support below the market. We got very close. Nice candle on the 10th of March and have been taking off like a rocket. If we zoom in here, guys, let's remove this circle, zoom out slightly. Let's throw some fibs on this move just roughly and see where it takes us in the market. So the Fibonacci's will take us up to our 1618 is a 29,600 roughly fib level, and that carries a lot of weight. It's very close to our $30,000. So I think Bitcoin could easily land anywhere between 28 and 30 once we break this neckline here, right around that 25.5 mark. And then above that, there is the 2.6 up there at a $38,000 Bitcoin, and so on. We could be in for a very, very large move to the upside for Bitcoin, and I just wanted to share that with you guys to be prepared. We could see a lot of coins be breaking out to the upside. If Bitcoin can break this level, which is basically 25,000 mark, and hold, I think we'll see some huge breakouts across the board. You know, maybe we'll see XRP breakout. We'll probably see Casper continue to the upside, and so on. So it's very interesting, and I look forward to it. We'll see if it happens. Doesn't mean we won't get a pullback first. We could get a pullback back down to the 22.5, and then that would be a higher low, and then maybe we get that big breakout to the upside. That would still give us that confirmed change in trend with a lower low, a lower high, but then we print that higher low. And that next leg up, which would be this leg right here, can be huge. So it's very impressive that Bitcoin is acting like this. It was in bearish territory only a couple days ago, but the trend change can change quickly, and you have to be prepared. Do not ignore it. It doesn't mean it won't fail, but you definitely don't want to ignore it and not get long, and vice versa, not get short on a bear leg down, because it can hold, and same with the upside is it can hold as well. So you have to be able to be nimble and flexible, and just look at the charts, and whatever they're doing, take that side of the trade. Doesn't always work. You'll get stopped out. You have to close positions, but it will work from time to time. So that is my thoughts here on Bitcoin. I'm ready for a big explosive move to the upside. If we get that big breakout, I will be buying the Bitcoin micro futures. Not financial advice. They are getting close, but they are not quite there yet. We're waiting for that big breakout to the upside for the Bitcoin micro futures. They are the smaller contract to the big brother, the full-size Bitcoin futures contracts, which are too big for us, but we enjoy trading the micro Bitcoin product. So that's my thoughts, guys. We could be in for a $30,000 Bitcoin very, very soon if this leg higher that we have recently just experienced these past couple days can hold. Maybe we'll get that 25,000, 25.5 breakout, taking us up to 28,230. And I think we'll have a little bit of resistance up in that level, but that is many thousands of points higher, and it would be quite something if that took place. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great evening. I'm going to get off to bed here, not feeling too hot. Hopefully we'll be up bright and early with two videos, at least one, but I have planned on doing two, and we'll have the camera back in action, and we'll have the video in the lower left-hand side of the screen. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.